Do you want to grow a garden but find you don't have enough time? How can you grow a garden if you have limited time? Now, here are some things that I do because I struggle with finding time to grow my garden. So, first, I prep the bed, and if I can only prep half the bed at a time or a quarter, it doesn't matter how much, even if it's 5 minutes, I prep a portion of the bed until I have the entire bed prepped. For crops that take longer time to grow, those crops, I put those in first. And if I have to put in one plant at a time, so each day I can only do 1 or 2 plants, I put them in. Because every step that you take, no matter how small, it gets you closer to your destination. And what about weeding? This bed was covered with weed, the entire bed. You could not see the soil. So how do I weed? Have you ever find yourself taking up your device to say maybe call a family member or a friend, and before you know it, you're spending 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes talking or scrolling on the phone? What if instead of calling that family member or that friend, you're going to call them, but just before you do so, you say 5 minutes. 5 minutes out of the time that I would talk to that friend or scroll on social media, I'm going to spend that 5 minutes to plant 1 or 2 things or to do a little bit of weeding. If every day you do that, I guarantee you, you will get the result you're seeking. Yes, it will take time, but you will get the result. So look at my bed. The only thing I have in here so far is tomatoes. Some beds are fully planted, some aren't, some doesn't even have the first plant in there yet. But what I do is those plants that I can start indoors, I start them indoors, or if it is warm enough, start them outdoors. Have them there and growing. So don't wait to sow the seeds. Have them growing so that when your bed is prepped, you can just put them in the garden and you don't have to worry about getting a late start. So that is what I do. So what do you think about this advice? Do you think it could work for you? Do you like this video? If so, why not subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification for more updates? Would you like to be a part of our free gardening and worm farming community? In this community, we share lots of practical gardening and worm farming information. You can communicate with like-minded individuals and enjoy the benefit of a warm gardening and worm farming community. Please see the description below for the link to join this free community, Worms and Garden Unite. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day. Yeah man, a time for grow.